Hey, how's it going? This is Zach Calhoun, the co-founder of CloudPano.com. I hope you're doing well today. I have some exciting new updates for you that are going to be super helpful to your current clients, your future clients, and selling more things virtually. If you don't know what CloudPano.com is, it's a 360 virtual tour platform. We create virtual selling environments to help you move stuff faster, sell stuff faster, rent your units. A lot of really cool features, and you can even view things in VR, have live video chat on top of your 360 virtual tours. So let's get into the new feature. If you haven't ever seen this application before, you can try it now for free. Sign in, create an account, and upgrade to get access to and unlock these special features and go start selling some high-level virtual tours today. Okay, so when you log in, you're going to see a screen just like this. This happens to be a sample demo tour, which preloads 4 images for you. If you scroll down to the left and click on the live icon, and this would be turned off. You turn it on, a lot of different cool options pop up. And I'm going to kind of explain, if you haven't already seen this before, CloudPano Live is live video chat calls you can have inside a 360 environment. I'll show you an example in a moment. But just for now, let's go ahead and scroll down this sidebar and read through some of these special features. So you can have a party room that is 1 to 4 people, a one-on-one call inside your virtual tours. And I see some new options here. So you can set hosting options. And what this means is when you click this button, you're required to have a host present to start a CloudPano Live call. It's actually very important, and I'll read this out to you now. If selected, only you and those you specify will be allowed to start a live meeting. Other participants will be placed in a waiting area. Hosts have the power to start live meetings, approve or deny participants from joining and end live meetings. If unchecked, this tour is open to anyone. Anyone can join at any time. Anyone can present the tour to others without having to log in. Okay, so when you click this option and you select this host area, you have to assign your virtual tour to a team, and then you start to, once you do that, so I can click change team here if I want to select the team, and once I do that, I'm able to assign hosts that are my teammates. So I'll be able to select if they can host it, or if they're disabled as they can't host the tour or host a CloudPano Live call. So those options are right there to the right. And once this, in this case, Ibrahim is an example of one of my teammates that I've assigned as a host. If he logs in to his account, he can host CloudPano Live calls as a host account. So now that I've set this up for this tour, what does it mean? What does it look like? And how does it actually play itself out on the tour viewer? So when I click publish and I go to the tour viewer of this example I showed, we see the 4 rooms right here. We see the hotspots that were all here before, preloaded. And then when I click on the CloudPano Live video call, I'm now prompted with this cool little modal that says I can join as a guest, or I can log in as an existing user. So first, I'm going to try to join as a guest and see what happens. So if I click test, it's going to prompt me with enabled video and audio. Hi, how you doing? I click join call, except now instead of joining the call directly, I am prompted with please wait. The host will let you in soon. Now, let me go backwards here. Click this CloudPano Live video again and log in as an existing user. Now, keep in mind, I'm a host on this virtual tour because I'm one who created the tour, or if I was, in this case, Ibrahim, who was an example of the host, if they were to log in as their name and click connect, again, the same prompt comes up. Hi, how you doing? You can make sure you're enabled video and audio. I've already pre-enabled it on this browser, so that's why it's not appearing. I'll click join call. And now, as a host, because I'm logged in, I'm up here in the CloudPano Live experience. Now, what happens if I want to join the call from a host side, if I'm already inside the call, and I'm just a random user who clicks into that link? So I'm going to show you this right now by utilizing this URL, this direct to live URL. So I'm going to click onto an incognito window. So if a prospect in the world clicks on that link to join a sales meeting, and of course they're just a guest, like say they're a prospective tenant, they put their name down and say their name is Test. I click connect. It's going to prompt me with request to use the camera. So I say yes, then I join the call. Now what they're prompted with is, please wait, the host will let you in soon. Now, keep in mind, I'm an incognito, so I'm logged out on this browser window. So if I go to this other browser window where I am logged in, you'll see on the bottom right, it says test is requesting to join your live call. I click approve. And then what happens is I open up the other window. Let me pull that up. It will prompt me with a request to use a microphone. I say allow, and now I'm inside the call. And because I have my headphones on, I'm hearing myself talk. So I'm going to exit out from the site. Now I was echoing there in my ears, so I'm just going to kind of jump back in. So it says test to join the call, and I can actually also I can invite people into the call as well too as the host. As you notice on the bottom right of the call here, it says end call. I now can end the call whenever I want to as a host. And also, if someone else tries to join, if they're a guest user, I'm going to say approve, and boom, they can join anytime. So I'm going to click end call and go back into the viewer here. So that was an example of how host seats work. It's best to try it out, use it to understand to kind of test it out from an incognito browser. If I jump into CloudPano live call, what's it look like? And if I'm a host and I'm not a host, how does it look? But I think you get the drift. Essentially, it's an added layer of security. It's really important for the end case user to have control of who can enter and exit the tour. So this is actually a really powerful way if you are a virtual tour provider and you're selling, say, a property manager, and they have 3 locations, and they each want a seat to CloudPano Live host accounts. You can charge them $100 a month, and they have to be a Pro Plus user, so you can create an account, 3 different accounts for them. And in that case, you can keep the margin of that $50, because it's $49 a month to be a Pro Plus user. So you're essentially charging for host seats, and that's how that works. So try it out. Use it today. Use this host option to add a security level, and then go sell some host seats to your clients and future clients as well too. It's a big deal, powerful feature, super helpful for security, and an easy sell for you as a virtual tour provider. Okay, I hope this is helpful in your journey and makes tons of sense. If you have any questions, reach out to support at cloudpano.com. And of course, to try this feature out, upgrade your account today. Go to cloudpano.com, click upgrade, click add to cart, follow the prompts, join up. It's a lot of fun. We're having a lot of fun inside here. Man, let's go sell some stuff virtually. What do you say? See you inside.